Hey guys, this is Panchi and you are on my channel Crude and Careless. So I was scrolling through Etsy.com and I came across some wall art pieces or wall decor pieces that I loved. I tried making them but I was not able to make exact copy of those designs. What I made was somewhat similar to those designs, but I could not stop myself after that and I ended up making so many designs. In this video, I'm sharing making of two of those designs. Basically, I'm sharing the process that you can use to make any design of your choice. Before we start, as I always say, please subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Crude and Careless. Now let's get started. We'll start by taking a bowl like this. I'm taking this much cement, pour some water. We need this consistency so that we can easily pour the cement. We basically want to prepare a cement base that will act as a canvas on which we can make any design of our choice. I'm going to make a starfish and a seahorse. Next, we are going to make a hook so that we can hang this. For that, you can use any wire like I'm using. Bend it like this in U shape. Then bend its two ends towards yourself. Then again bend it like this. We get something like this. Now we'll place it over the poured cement and cover it with some more cement. You can also use any other type of hook that you have. Gently tap this bowl. Once this is done, you need to leave this for at least 24 hours to dry. Then we'll demold this, and it is very important to leave it for at least 24 hours, and if you can leave it for 48 hours, that is 2 days, then even better. Flip and remove. Bend the wire a little so that it will go on the wall like this. Now we'll make something on this base. Again, we are going to make cement paste, but this time consistency will be different. This time add less water and make clay-like consistency, that is less flowy. I have hand drawn this design on the cement using a pencil so that it becomes easier for me to shape the cement. It is better to wear gloves because cement can make your hands dry. Shape the cement like I am doing using your hands. Once our basic shape is ready, we'll clean the design. For that, we'll take some water and a brush. Dip it in water and clean your design while the cement is still wet. I'm going to use cement just like paint and brush it over my design and hide all the gaps. So while my design was drying, I saw a crack in it. To take care of that, I'm going to apply another coat of cement so we can't see any crack anymore. Now let's paint it. There are certain details that you need to take care of while filling your design. Like I added darker color on the sides of this seahorse so that it looks more 3D. And this is how our cement wall decor turned out in the end. Next, in similar manner, we are going to make another design, starfish. It was a bit simple to make starfish as compared to the seahorse. It is very simple but time consuming process because it took me around 2 to 3 days for making this design, because the drying process takes time. But I enjoyed making it and I made so many different designs that I'll show you in the end. So enjoy watching this process. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. We'll meet again in the next video.